Yeah, stream started. So let's go. I am having a dinner now only. Uh, I think I'm live now, and successfully we completed this feature. So now we have to where we have to go. Uh, Hi, what's up? Wait a sec. Two. Okay. 1, 2, 6, 2, 5, 3. Suddenly it's asked for. So okay, today not that much. I implemented the stuff like you can guys see the update, how fast it updates the on device status. No, I'm connecting the board. It lost the signal. Please come up. Okay, so guys, see, this is the board which we have, and I'm opening the Thorny application, which I had as a you know. So yeah, I can't. Okay, now I'm seeing it, and I'm running this code, and see the fastness after it. See how fast it updates the status. And now I am going to stop this. Uh, you know, I'm going to stop this code up here, like see how fast it updates in a real time. Like I'm going to interrupt this program running in this controller, but in real scenario we take it as some other thing, like you know some error which happened. So I already did that. If this device went offline, it waits for 60 seconds and will updates its status to offline soon, right? uh, it's because this device has completely cut off the internet connection. So we have one thing called lost will testament in the MQTT, which act as a lost will. If device went somewhere like offline or somewhere, we need to update its status, right? Update its status automatically to the offline to let user to know the device went to offline, kind of stuff. I need to increase this to 10 second to make it seem faster, but I disconnected it. Let it wait for 60 second, and it will definitely update. And now today I'm going to work it on in the feature of feature basically we need, so I'm going to see it. So for your view I am placing it. Definitely we will receive. Yeah, see, after 60 seconds it will automatically go to offline. So what I did is a little bit I changed the code and do the error handling. You know, now you can see there's no error unless and until that MQTT broker went offline. It's that same error when MQTT is connected, the broker will do a keep alive thing and cut off stuff. So it will cut off and when come became online again. So that routine we can't do anything, but other than that, we can't. We don't have any error right now. Yeah. So I'm going to check it out. What feature we are going to do next. So for that, I'm going to going inside features. Here it is. Oh, here it is. I have a two folder in features. Okay. Anyway, so I need MVP feature. I feel, but I will increase. Wait a second. And I will change the settings, but I forgot to. So now you can hear well, I think, because today I reduce. I don't have a fan in my house too, because it juggling like it is going to fall off, so I better turn it off. So we did this online offline now only. So next thing is control, toggle on off or send simple commands to IoT devices. This is we are going to do next. So sweaty also in here. Practical. Thank you for note and telling me that my sound is low. Yeah. Okay, great. Nice. Thank you. So, okay, we did it. We did this thing to responsive web with React, and yeah. So we are writing with an error handling, so this much not be the problem right now. So here we have this part. This part is elaborated to a big one. Like we have a lot of controls, and we have to take care of. So on and off is off by any application is a basic thing, but we have to have a lot of other properties. Like I inspired one from here, you know, Mm, Rainmaker. So we have a lot of properties in this application. So I am inspiring things from here. I love this ESP Rainmaker application too. It's getting me to the place where I can code, but I need this. Mhm. Rainmaker. I have to don't give space. I have Raspberry Pi Pico plus Pico W right now, not Raspberry Pi 2 1 5 3 4. I did not have that. Where can I get one? You can get one in robo.com. Here it is. Can get. I mostly buy my electronics here. I on, I only experienced with this application and I didn't get scammed or I have one, you know, one website. It is electronic comms. I got scammed or I don't know, but they didn't even respond to my email. I ordered one product, but it even came to me yet. So this is where I buy things. Yeah, here we have. So we need to define some basic types. So this is one of IoT interface applications that this ESP brand will had. So we can go and see here. So I don't need it. I couldn't find where I. Oh, still I don't have. So the place where I go, development guide, I think. Mhm. Yeah, custom standards and type. Yeah, here we have it. So like we see, right? We have controls like switch, light. They have a specific one for temperature sensor and smart plug. It's like outlet, and we can use it with the relay and stuff. Amazing, right? Sockets, smart lock. It's all standard and predefined one. hmm So you can see what parameter it needs to code and stuff. So name, power, and media state and media control. So it's one of my inspiration to have it in my application. So service. Okay, you want to work with them. I used a temperature sensor called DHT22 and I burned it also when I was giving connection wrongly. I have to place this way, but instead of placing this way, I place this way. So the plus will go to ground and went to ground, and ground will went to plus. So it short circuits itself. So that what happened. So yeah. No, you need some microcontroller to read its data. You know, like go to search DX22 and see Arduino tutorial, and you have a great explanation on how much power it take, what is its range of finding, and what are the pins and how to connect to it. We have a detailed explanation here, and also you can go to check out YouTube tutorial too, and it would be nice. Pratik Dakal, you are in our Discord server. I have a Discord server. It's actually a good one, and if you are interested, I would like you to join because we can chat like this there also. So that's why I'm asking. So today I'm bit late, but still I'm here. Okay, nice. If you like to continue watching my development, you can go check it out my Discord as well as subscribe to this channel. So yeah, now today I'm going to work it on the feature of controlling that device. Okay, if you don't want to join, no worries. I'm not compelling anyone. So this is our server though. So we all have a like-minded peoples here. No. So that's it. Okay, let's do things. So we have to. I came for a different thing to merge the code. So it became a one comment, you know. Check out there. Okay, to work it on in the next feature. So we have to start from scratch. Right. So it's up for around 4 hours. So okay, we have to move to the next thing. Here I want to show every device in a card, like here. So device control, like a name. Changing from uncontrol to control, the component should not switch from control to uncontrol or vice versa. So I need the same card over here, and it need to be line up one by one. That's all. I'm so hungry today, so I made the dinner and sit with the food. Tomorrow I'm starting on training in our college, so not that an interesting one. So okay, I am a final year engineering student. Currently final year. I'm pursuing a final year. Okay, it's like going slowly, right? I will do one thing. Start my Pomodoro clock and play some music. So I am a final year engineering student, basic student. So once I am saying KIR4 and I am not able to understand what you are trying to say. I can only understand English all over the India. If people watching are in Tamil, I'm from south side, Tamil Nadu. So I don't know that much of Hindi. So I want to learn Hindi one day, but right now I can't able to speak. Uh, you know, can't able to speak Hindi. So I would love and request you guys to speak in English with me. Then only I can able to communicate with you clearly. So we pulled it also, right? Yeah, this is the good stuff. No, no. It's in near Chennai. I am so end of India. You know, I am kind of here. I will show you guys kind of a map thing. Google map. So I am from here, the low part here. You can see this is my native, kind of end of India. See, so this is Isam. I think here, but I am here. Yeah, that's it. Not near Ishamayam, and also yeah. Okay, what had happened right now? hmm So device, and we are managing things like QR with. So here we needed devices to click on to stuffs, and without you can place some actions here. So one check things and source components IoT dashboard. Here we have things like status value. Mhm. Okay, let's do one thing. I will play some focus music for you guys. Do code along with me. So I'm checking. It can read the web apps or not. It can do. Awesome. I have already. Man, I'm using MongoDB. Lost the context. So let us fix noise. Mhm. Property rendering. Hi, Binod. I'm just reading a documentation for ROS2, which actually means that robotic operating system. I love things, and why I specifically doing this in this project means it also uses public subscribe method, and I recently found out that, and I was excited to because to clearly understand that public subscribe method. So this OS use some kind of tricks like uses a node kind of stuff to do all that stuff. So I'm just setuping and try to figure out how things work and learn this publish subscribe architecture in more around great way. So for that, I am just setting up in my server right now. Okay, I am UTF-8 and okay, enable required repositories. Okay, we will do that. It's command. Mm, mm, mm. I today only I learned about this operating system, and I am so you know so curious to set it up in my computer, and I'm so happy because actually I'm also using this same you know Ubuntu, and it also supports Ubuntu Linux and my server, but I can't able to access the GUI. But still, I will figure it out soon because there is a way called X11 forwarding for a GUIs here. So let us see. Okay, this long day when I put update to my computer to get RS to code. You have to just follow the instruction to install these things. Why I can't able to hear anything? The track is unavailable. Yeah, I want to tell. I thought to say this in your life. Actually, I like it, but I would, I thought of modifying that code to only have that microcontroller with that timer display in it. So it would be nice, right? I am also working on a project with IoT, and if I added a IoT kind of style, the microcontrolled controller display as a timer, it would be nice. I thought in that way, and I didn't have a time to modify that code and that images to work on that way. So if I did, I definitely will, do the upgrade of things. I will definitely move to that. Okay, update. We will upgrade the system. Yes, so it will take long, I think. No, it is pretty much fast. Okay, we will learn how to send the graphic over there. X11 forwarding, it means. Okay, we need this feature for some other applications which we are install on the SS server, connect to this server, and no, today I didn't even started coding. Before live, I think I will show how you can calculate my coding time with my server uptime. You can see my server is up for 4 hour 25 minutes. I'm coding for around 4 hour 25 minutes. So you can calculate my uptime, my server uptime, and my coding time. So this long I'm coding. No, not I continuously. In between, I have I would have like to take my break because it's needed. I only prepared my dinner. Uh-huh. So that's the thing, guys. We are likely to be at the thing. So I think it's been around 1 hour. Yeah, exactly 1 hour, sir. I just going to wind up, guys. Why I came out? Oh, bad, my bad, my bad. I logged out uh, from my server. Oh, I don't know why is that. I don't know if it did the update or not. Oh, my Windows terminal. It's nothing, man. Go to settings and to your terminal. Uh, Go to your Windows terminal setting and change the background and text and stuff and all. And your Windows terminal going to looks nice. That's all about that. So I will go to, and if you're asking about my terminal in my server, it's a different story. I use Homeland in my Ubuntu, so that Homeland has a default terminal in it, so I use that default terminal, you know. So I have to move to the place ROS rolling, yeah. So here we have to paste this command. I saw okay, the VS Code. I am using one you know, I'm using one theme. I think what theme I'm using, I don't even know. I forgot the theme which I am using. This is not it. Tokyo Night. So this is the theme I'm using. And the terminal, if you ask that Pokemon style, it's a Hyperland. It's coming from the server which I am having, right? That server contains the Hyperland OS and Windows Manager. So that Hyperland will directly comes as it is, and that server, it is also coming from the SSH into my terminal here. So that's it. It's all inside the server. One day I came live from server. Then I will can. Server is nothing but, man, it's just a OS, Ubuntu, Linux OS which is running. Things are upping, and I'm so happy with this software. Is really easy to implement. So we have examples. It's not that too complex. If you learn, and you will come and say, what, how is this is with this super little command magic. That's all things, you know. I had one course of path that with the trial and error. If you heard of the method called trial and error method, so that's what I used. I try things and I explore things. And take Kaizen, he's just 14 and he's trying and doing things and getting error, and that's the thing, trial and error. When it using trial and error method. I took little courses here and there, but I would say not spend that much money on any courses, because we have an abundance of data. We need to know how to search things. So that's all about we have to do. And I think I'm going to wind up, because I'm going to prepare for tomorrow's things have in college. So bye and good night. See you tomorrow, and I will share my experience what happened tomorrow, and I share my experience what happened in my college. You are saying you shouldn't switch to Linux? I would say you should. If you are using Windows, then try this WSL2. So that is, that's what I am using. I have Linux inside my Windows also. It's called WSL. Inside we can use a Linux. It's called Windows subsystem. It will take time to load up. See here, you see another one terminal, right? It is called Windows subsystem. It's the Linux which is running inside your Windows. You have to learn how to set it up in your computer. So see, it has only terminal, and I can open up a lot of things here, So it's nice though, kind of nice, and I love this feature of using Linux inside my Windows. It's called WSL2. So go check it out. And here, even here, I will open my VS Code. So I don't have it right now, and I can open browser. I think open Firefox or open Chromium. I think I one day I will delete all the files inside my WSL this Linux. So that's the problem which I can't. But I have Vim here. I use Vim in this. It's a editor which you can only use keyboard to do all lot of things. Allow this editor. I will use it for scripting things. Wait there tomorrow. Bye, and please try WSL, man. Please WSL. Go learn and search it about WSL 2. It is a Linux which you can experience before you enter and switch to Linux using things. So have a great day, you too. Okay, so see ya.